Imagine trying to photograph your own house while you're sitting in your living room. Impossible, right? That's exactly the problem with every Milky Way image you've ever seen. And the reality is far more incredible than you think. Let's first understand what the problem is. Our Milky Way galaxy is approximately 100,000 light years wide. And where are we? Not in the center, but about 26,000 light years from the edge in a small spiral arm. It's like sitting in the corner of a large pizza and trying to photograph the entire pizza. Impossible. When you look at the sky at night, that white band you see, that's actually the side view of our galaxy. We're looking outward from inside the galaxy. It's like standing in a large library and looking at bookshelves. You can't see the entire library, only what's in front of you. So where do these beautiful spiral images come from? Scientists work like detectives. They study the movement of stars, measure their speeds, and map gas clouds. Then they put all this data into computer models. It's exactly like taking a flashlight into a dark room, looking at different corners, then imagining what the entire room would look like. And this isn't just about photography. If we travel at the speed of light, which is the fastest speed in the universe, it would take 100,000 years to go from one corner of our galaxy to another. This means that if an alien wanted to take a perfect photo of our galaxy today, they would have to go so far from a galaxy that it would take millions of years just to take that photo. But the story doesn't end here. Our galaxy is constantly moving. It's rotating on its axis, and at the same time, moving toward the Andromeda galaxy at 250 kilometers per second. This means that in 4.5 billion years, our Milky Way and Andromeda galaxy will merge and form a new galaxy. If you're finding this fascinating and enjoying it, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're smart people who love learning these secrets of the universe, subscribe to me so we can meet again and explore even more amazing things. Now, don't think that because these images are fake, the galaxy isn't beautiful. Actually, reality is even more amazing. Our galaxy has 400 billion stars. Each star could potentially have planets. We're on a cosmic island floating in space, and we're residents of that island who can't completely understand our home because we're inside it. But it's also amazing that humans have learned so much in just 70 years of space exploration. We've built radio telescopes, sent satellites into space, and mapped our galaxy with computer models. It's like an ant making a map of the entire Earth from inside an anthill. So next time you see a Milky Way image, remember that it's an artist's interpretation, but it's the result of our scientific understanding. It's not fake in the sense that it's a lie. It's an educated guess based on billions of observations. And perhaps this makes it even more beautiful because it represents the victory of human curiosity and intelligence. The real beauty of our galaxy is that we're inside it, we're part of it, and yet we're trying to understand it. It's a cosmic puzzle where we are both the players and the puzzle solvers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Do you believe we'll ever see a real photo of our galaxy? In the next video, we'll discuss whether we can ever time travel. Until then, keep exploring.